Life's going smoothly until suddenly it isn't. An illness or accident could stop you working, often when you least expect it. And if your income stops, what happens to the bills? That's where income protection insurance comes in. It's a type of cover that pays you a regular income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury, so you can still pay for everyday essentials while you recover. It helps to cover your rent, mortgage, food, and energy bills. It usually pays out around 60 to 70% of your income, tax-free, until you're well enough to return to work, or until the policy ends. You can choose how long it pays for. Some policies cover you for a few years, others last right through to your retirement age. It's flexible and designed to fit your needs. You might be thinking, don't I get statutory sick pay from my employer? Yes, but it's only £116.75 a week, and it only lasts 28 weeks. For most people, that's not enough. And with more of us working for ourselves, on 0-hour contracts, or without full sick pay, the risks are greater than ever. Add to that rising living costs and NHS waiting times, and it's clear why this kind of protection matters. And here's the thing, not all policies are the same. Some are cheaper, some more comprehensive, some include mental health support, and terms like deferral periods and exclusions. They can get confusing. That's why speaking to a financial advisor is so important. We help you compare options, understand the fine print, and build the right plan for you. The best time to get protected is before you need to claim. So, if you're wondering whether income protection is right for you, speak to Home and Finance today. Get clear, friendly advice, and protect your future income. It's peace of mind made simple.